Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're trying to find your account's number for your home credit loan or financing, here's a step-by-step guide. Firstly, check your loan agreements documents. If you have a physical copy of your loan agreements, the account number is typically listed on the top of the agreements or in the first section of the documents. If you received your agreements via email or downloaded it from the Home Credit website, the account number will be mentioned in the agreements as well. You can also use the mobile app to do that. Open the app on your phone, log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your loan or account details. The account's number should be visible in your account's summary or under a section like loan information or account details. After that, you can also check your Home Credit online accounts. Visit the Home Credit website and log in your accounts. Once logged in, go to your loan account page or account summary. Your account number should be displayed in your loan details or on the main accounts overview page. Also, you can review emails and SMS notifications to check for your account number. You can check any emails or SMS messages you received from Home Credit. Look for communications related to loan approval, loan disbursement, or account updates, as these often include your account number. The account number may also be included in payments, reminders, or loan statements sent via email or SMS. These methods should help you easily find your Home Credit account number, guys. If you have trouble, reaching out to their customer team will ensure you get the assistance you need as fast as possible. Enjoy the video, hopefully it helps you out. Subscribe, see you in the next one.